Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition of the Bottomline. Here are the top headlines. Indian travelers can enter the Czech Republic without any restrictions. Emirates ramps up connections to Mauritius with double daily A380 flights from July. Japan and Singapore passports top passport index amid geopolitical uncertainty. ABTA confirms dates for 2022's travel convention in Marrakech. Fully vaccinated travelers from UAE are exempted from the pre-departure RT-PCR test requirement to visit India. New tourism policy of the government to facilitate access to capital for green investments. The Czech Republic has become the latest European nation to ease travel restrictions for international travelers. Now that tourism is opening internationally, Indians are eager to travel the world. The country has removed quarantine requirements for travelers. Also, the nation is not asking for proof of illness or vaccination. All the shops are reopened without any restrictions on operating hours. The cultural and sporting events, concerts, theatres are also ready to function, and hotels are waiting to welcome travelers. The country has reopened all its museums, galleries, monuments and zoos, among others, at full capacity. Emirates will be operating twice daily flights on its flagship A380 aircraft to Mauritius from 1st July 2022 to meet the increase in demand for travel to the island nation. Emirates currently operates daily flights to Mauritius on its Boeing 777-300ER aircraft. In line with rising demand, the airlines will be scaling up operations daily to 9 weekly flights between 9 April 2022 and the end of June 2022, and then moving up to double daily flights from July 2022. Japan and Singapore continue to share #1 spot on the Henley Passport Index, the ranking for the world's passports according to the number of destinations their holders can access without a prior visa. With their passport holders able to access 192 destinations around the world visa-free for taking temporary COVID restrictions into account. Dr. Christian H. Kalin, chairman of Henley and Partners, says the latest update provides a unique snapshot of a volatile and rapidly changing world. The country you are born in dramatically impacts the quality and extent of opportunities you will have in your life, as well as the challenges you might face along the way. Holding more than one citizenship with a range of personal access rights each guarantees is the ultimate asset in a time of crisis and volatility. That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Stay tuned for more such travel industry updates. Have a great day.